bull-headed, stubborn Viking you ever were.
Fish legs, break it down.
Okay, heavily armored skull and tail made for passion and crushing. Steer clear of both. Small eyes, large nostrils, relies on hearing and smell.
Okay, left, legs, hang in his blind spot. Make some noise, keep it confused. Rough, tough, find out if it has a shot limit. Make it mad.
That's my specialty.
It's wet. Everyone knows I'm more irritating, see? Just do what I told you. I'll be back as soon as I can. Don't worry, we got it covered.
Butt elf.
Right, you rental.
This thing doesn't have a blind spot.
There. Go help the others. Okay, hold on, hold on. It's working!
Yeah, it's working. I've lost power on the vocal. Stall out. Do something. I'm okay. Less okay.
I can't miss! What's wrong, buddy? You got something in your eye?
Yeah, you're the Viking.
Whoa! You got it, bud. Pick up.
I'm sorry. For everything.
Yeah, me too.
You don't have to go up there.
We're Vikings. It's an occupational hazard.
I'm proud to call you my son.
Thanks, Dad.
He's up. Get Snotmouth out of there.
I'm on it first. I'm ahead of you.
Let me try.
No, this way.
Don't push your teeth out.
No, yeah, well, that worked. Did you get her?
Go.
That thing has wings. Okay, let's see if it can use them. You think that did it? Well, he can fly. Toothless. Time to disappear. Come on, bud! Here it comes! Watch out! Okay, time's up. Let's see if this works. Come on! Do the best you can do! Stay with me, buddy. We're good. Just a little bit longer. Hold, Toothless.